How to clear search history on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to clear search history on your iPhone in Safari. It only takes a minute, so let's get started. You need to open up your settings and then at the bottom in the search bar, search for Safari and just tap on it, and you'll need to scroll down so you can see clear history and website data. You just need to tap on it and then you can choose the time frame and then you can just tap on clear history. So that's it. It's as simple as that to clear history on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.